This is Crypto Monster back at you again with another video. Today we have something special for you guys. Market Cipher has helped me make 58% in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 40 minutes. Sorry that took so long. It's been a pretty cool morning. But I'm actually about to exit this trade and rebuy because this hourly is really bullish. So if I show you this 1 hour, see, we have some bullish divergence here. I don't see much, like the average blue wave is about right here. So we have way more room to go. Let's actually get a horizontal line there. Make that very seen and well known. Alright, cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys this real quick. So this is my Bybit account. I'm actually up 62% now. Pretty cool stuff, guys. Market Cipher. I just traded this bullish divergence, honestly. I didn't do anything special. I just saw this bullish divergence right here, invested right there, traded, and I'm up. It's that simple. That simple, guys. Comment below what you'd like for me to do next. I'm going to break this down a little more for you guys before I set you on your way. But first of all, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to support the channel, please subscribe, smash that like button, comment down below what coins you'd like for me to analyze for you, and I'll make future videos based on the comments. That's how we're always going to do it on this channel. That's how we're always going to do it. I also saw this this wave start to curve. This wave's curving. You want to invest like 50% of your account, 33% X leverage. That's what I do. So that's how I did that, and you can see as it curves, momentum's changing, money's flowing into the market. You see it's coming down. See how that's curving down? It's more likely to go in the green now. Oh, that's a sign that momentum is changing, that triangle right there. So we might actually exit this trade soon. Yeah, I think I'm going to close this out. Let's check out the 24-minute. Yeah, it's starting to get some curvature. You see that curvature? Starting to kind of curve right there. Ooh. 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 You gotta have fun with it, guys. Keep telling you. Alright. Smash the like button.